Hello, everybody. Dr. Payam, this side, TCM physician, and I'm here once again with an exclusive vacancy, exclusive recruitment, exclusive opportunity for you. One of the prime hospitals, Tata Memorial Centers. Yes, TMC. So there's an exclusive vacancy in one of the top prime esteemed hospitals, Tata Memorial Center. So, what is it exactly? How do we apply? Tell us a complete process from start to end, A to Z. So, yes, I'm out here for you whenever I talk about the TMC. So, the advertisement name is the walk in interview for the post of medical officer, which will be contractual based, and for Homi Baba Research Center, Hospital Research Center in the Chandigarh, Punjab. So, what will be the venue of the interview? It will be, of course, in the Homi Baba Cancer Research Hospital, which is located in the Chandigarh, Punjab. So, you need to go and directly, there's no examination, no eligibility, nothing. You just have to directly go for the interview, prepare yourself, because as a medical officer, there will be a number of questions which will be imposed upon you. What are the different national health schemes? What are the different ways in which you can, the basic regimes, the basic therapeutics. So that is expected from you, that as a medical officer, your management skills as well as the clinical knowledge, both the amalgamation of both of them. So over here you can see that the end date is 4th December, the start date is 14th November. So already the dates have started for the walk-in interviews from the 15th November to the 4th of December. So if you want to get into one of the prime, esteemed, one of the renowned institutes, Tata Memorial, and also get attached to the Homi Baba Cancer Research Hospital, do not let this vacancy go off your hands. Absolutely. And if I talk about further, so the venue of the interview is Homi Baba Cancer Research Hospital, Medicity, New Chandigarh, Punjab. Sir, timings. It's 9:30 to 11:30 in the morning. It's not that you can go any time of the day. You need to go from the morning 9:30 to 11:30. Another question that pops up in our mind, what is the salary? So salary is exclusive, very lucrative, very captivating. You can get up to 99,000 to 1,14,000. There are two posts which are available for the medical officer. The interview date is on 4th of December. Yes. So the eligible candidates may attend the interview at the HR department, 6th floor. So, Homi Baba Cancer Research is a very, very big hospital. I've been there in the Chandigarh, Punjab. It's very big. So, you need to know that it's in the Wing C in the HR department. And over here, you can see the age limit. There's an age limit of up to 40 years. So, if you are less than 40 years, definitely this is an opportunity for you. Candidates having a 1 year of post-qualification clinical experience will be preferred. Yes. So, if you have done your graduation in MBBS and post that you have a 1 year of clinical experience in any of the fields, gynac, pediatric, obstetrics, pulmono, cardio, nephro, neuro, irrespective, if you have posting is one of the surgery anywhere, then definitely it's gonna add up to it's going to be a value addition for your CV and a brownie point to get into this vacancy. Absolutely. So this is a very, very great opportunity. You can see over here tmc.gov.in in the events job details section. You can find this notification. We'll attach the link as well in the description box for your convenience. Definitely click on the link and get redirected to this exclusive notification. So stay connected with us, stay connected with Payam sir, stay connected with Academically, Akram sir for exclusive job vacancies, recruitments and opportunities. Yes, absolutely. Over here, you'll be getting complete comprehensive idea about all the posts for the medical officer, senior residents, and many times, there are contractual posts as well as fixed posts under the state government and central government, because there are so many schemes, DEICs, NPCSDS, NHM schemes, different programs, National Malarial Control Mental Health programs, different other programs which are RNTCPs and all. So under that, they keep on hiring some or the other posts. So over here, you will be updated the best way. Stay connected with us and do shower love. Thank you very much, all of you. Have a great day.